Welcome! In this video, I will talk about the second study method on the BEnglish platform, which is interactive learning. Click on the interactive learning icon from here. Choose the interactive course you want. The interactive courses have been divided into study units. They contain information from the recorded course, but in an enjoyable interactive way. Each unit includes several sections: vocabulary, reading, grammar, listening, and also conversation. These units work to enhance the four skills of the student: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Start the study process in a sequential manner. Unit 1. The first icon is vocabulary. Here, listen, read, and memorize the new vocabulary, then write it down. And work on solving the attached exercises. Then continue and learn new vocabulary. After completing this section, start studying the reading icon. At first, you will read short words and sentences. In advanced levels, you will begin reading long texts. Then move on to the grammar section. Learn the information presented in the section. And apply what you have learned by solving the attached exercises. The fourth icon is listening, which is very enjoyable. Through it, you can hear the new vocabulary, pronounce it, and hear the accuracy of your pronunciation. Finally, the fifth icon is conversation. Here, a dialogue between two people is presented, along with a specific exercise. Listen carefully to it and practice the conversation with a colleague. After completing all the icons of Unit 1, continue your learning in Unit 2 in the same order and method, as well as in the remaining units. Complete the entire content. The green checkmark will help you identify the completed icon. Repeat the exercise if you need to, and develop your learning skills with BEnglish.